or a coffee urn dispenser. First off, the overall dimensions. Coming to the bottom, we have a radius of 6 3/4 inches. By 15 1/4 inches in height. Features include a swivel bottom, along with a handle for easy transport. Coming to the top will be a tab handle that can be lifted, and with this button in place, the tab handle can be pushed up and down to dispense your coffee or tea. With the push of these two tabs, left and right, and the nozzle can be removed in order to clean or to refill your coffee or tea. The top cover can be lifted. There will be a rod that can be loosened and released. That will release your main top cover. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.